Is your COSORI TurboBlaze showing E03? Here's what it means and how to clear it. If your TurboBlaze flashes E03 and won't start, that usually means the system overheated and triggered an auto shutdown. Step 1. Let the air fryer cool all the way down. Unplug the machine and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. The E03 error triggers when the internal temperature rises above safe limits, especially during long or back-to-back sessions. Step 2. Check for trapped grease or splatter near the coil. Remove the basket and crisper plate. Look underneath and around the heating coil for any stuck-on grease or drips. If this builds up over time, it traps heat and can trigger an overheat fault. Step 3. Gently clean the coil and cavity walls. Once the air fryer is fully cool, wipe the inside with a damp, non-abrasive cloth. Don't use metal tools. If the coil area is hard to reach, I use a flexible silicone brush designed for air fryer cleaning. It fits behind the element without scratching and gets into tight corners. I've linked the one I use below. Step 4. Check the venting and airflow. Make sure the rear exhaust and bottom intake vents aren't blocked. You need at least 5 inches of space behind and above the fryer during use. Don't run it on soft surfaces like towels or mats. They can trap heat from underneath. If E03 comes back immediately after a cool down and full clean, the internal temperature sensor may be damaged. In that case, contact COSORI support directly using the link in the description. If this helped you clear the error and get cooking again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you still need a silicone brush for that tight coil cleanup, I've linked the one I use below. It's heat safe, flexible, and won't scratch your nonstick. Thanks for watching, and keep it cool.